Just a reminder that all proceeds from our channel are donated to charity. Please help us help others by giving us a thumbs up, commenting, or subscribing to our channel. Your support makes a difference. Also, we have affiliate links for the products we review, so if you like this carry-on, please use our link in the description below this video to help support our mission. We receive a small commission, and it helps us continue donating to charity. Before we dive into the review, we want to let you know that Duravo sent us this product for free to test out. As always, our opinions are our own, and we'll give you an honest look at what we liked and what we think could be improved. You may have seen our reviews of Duravo's international expandable carry-on luggage, as well as their venture full and agile laptop backpacks. Duravo is a company dedicated to crafting durable yet stylish travel gear. Today we're taking a look at Duravo's newest product, the Front Pocket Expandable Carry-On Plus, a suitcase that's designed to make your travels even smoother and more organized. We've been traveling with Duravo's international carry-on for quite some time now, and let me tell you, it's been literally around the world and still works great and looks fantastic. The Front Pocket Expandable Carry-On Plus is built with Duravo's cutting-edge flex shell material, delivering a perfect combination of strength and lightweight performance. If you want to learn more about the company and flex shell, check out our previous videos. Let's start with the exterior. This bag features a dual-function TSA lock that secures both the front pocket and the main storage compartment, making it super secure for travel. The telescoping handle is lightweight aluminum and adjustable to 3 stages, giving you both comfort and ease when moving around. For quick grab-and-go convenience, there are sturdy side and top handles. To top it all off, it has a stylish leather tag holder for a personal touch and Hinomoto ball-bearing Quiet Glide 360-degree wheels for smooth and silent rolling in any direction. The front pocket on this expandable carry-on is super functional, thanks to its gusseted side panels. These allow the flap to open just partially, so it doesn't fall wide open when you're reaching for something quickly, like your laptop or passport. But when you need full access, the zipper release lets you open the pocket completely for easy packing or retrieving your essentials. We really like this feature because it's practical and adds flexibility while you're on the go. The front pocket is protected by Duravo's innovative flex shell material, ensuring strength and durability while keeping your essentials secure. Inside, you'll find a keychain attachment to keep your keys handy, a mesh pocket for smaller items, a dedicated AirTag holder, and a passport pocket for easy access. There's also a strap-down padded pocket designed for laptops up to 15 inches, plus 2 zippered pockets, one at the top and another on the flap, for additional storage and organization. The suitcase opens in a clamshell design with 2 separate packing compartments. On the front side, there's a zippered section featuring a full-sized laundry pocket integrated into the flap. While the front external pocket does take up a bit of interior space to maintain a smooth external appearance, we'll show you later how it packs efficiently. The rear compartment is similar to the Duravo International Expandable Carry-On, but larger, thanks to the increased height of this bag. It includes 2 integrated tie-down flaps with external zippered pockets, allowing for compression to reduce wrinkles and secure your items. The handle does protrude into this side, contributing to the flush exterior, and will demonstrate packing in this area as well. Additionally, there's a small zippered pouch that's perfect for loose items like jewelry. Let's break down how we pack the Front Pocket Expandable Carry-On Plus for a 5-day trip, keeping it easy and efficient. In the front half, we stuffed 4 pairs of socks into one of the size 12 running shoes. In the other running shoe, we packed a t-shirt, 2 pairs of underwear, and a pair of running shorts. Then we packed 1 pair of size 12 dress shoes. In one, we tucked in some dress socks, running socks, a swimsuit, and a t-shirt. In the other, we fit in a pair of dress socks and another t-shirt. We also threw a hat on this side. We found that the recessed areas along the edges of the pocket were perfect for fitting the heels of the shoes. This made packing them more efficient. On the other side, we used a compression bag for the bulkier items like a dress shirt, suit pants, and jeans. Then we layered in a belt, tie, and a t-shirt. Lastly, we added 2 pairs of underwear, joggers, and a casual button-down shirt. To top it off, we laid a men's suit jacket across the side, which didn't make it into the video. We placed our AirTag in its dedicated holder, followed by our travel documents in the zippered pocket on the flap. Next, we tucked a wallet into the top zipper pocket and slid our reading glasses into the front mesh pocket. The 13-inch MacBook Pro fit easily into the laptop sleeve, and the pocket zipped up with no trouble. Everything fit perfectly. For additional gear, like chargers, an iPad Pro, headphones, toiletries, and a gift, we used our Duravo Venture full backpack, which handled it all seamlessly. We didn't even need to expand the bag to fit all of our stuff, which would have given us an extra 2 1/2 inches of space. We also used our portable luggage scale to check the weight of the carry-on once it was fully packed, including our electronics like the laptop. It came in under 25 pounds, which is comfortable to lift, perfect for carry-on limits, and easy to maneuver while traveling. We took our Duravo Front Pocket Expandable Carry-On Plus through a real-world test. We started by rolling this luggage alongside our Duravo International Expandable Carry-On at the airport. One of us loves to give the bag a spin to show off just how smoothly those Hinomoto wheels work, even at the airport. One big plus is how easy it was to maneuver through the crowds because of those wheels, which is essential in today's busy airports. With everyone rushing around, having luggage that can weave through with minimal effort is a game changer. Here we demonstrate rolling the suitcase onto people movers and escalators with ease, and when it came time to step off the escalator, we smoothly rolled it backward, showcasing how stable and easy it is to maneuver in both directions. It rolled smoothly on the carpeted floor of the crowded airport lounge, even with flyers' legs sticking into the aisles, making it easy to navigate without bumping into anyone. To test it outside, we rolled the carry-on over bricks outside our hotel and onto the sidewalk. Even with uneven surfaces, the wheels perform flawlessly. Then we took the luggage into a metro station, maneuvering through the narrow entrance stall with no issues. It rolled smoothly onto the metro train as well. Finally, when we reached the rental car location, we hopped onto the shuttle. The bag was easy to lift and fit perfectly into the racks, right alongside the Duravo International Expandable Carry-On. Both bags were light, and because we packed under 25 pounds, including all our electronics, they were easy to manage and lift. Let's dive into the sizing. We recently tested the Duravo Front Pocket Expandable Carry-On Plus at the airport using the American Airlines and Frontier sizers. It fit perfectly in the Frontier sizer, which surprisingly allows a bit more room than most standard domestic airlines. However, this bag is just slightly too large for the American Airlines sizer, about 1/2 inch to 1 inch when you account for the wheels. Still, it's comparable to the carry-on sizes that we estimate over 50% of travelers use. For reference, the bag measures 22.5 inches high, 15 inches wide, and 9.5 inches deep when unexpanded, and it expands to a generous 12 inches. This size is often comparable to, or even smaller than larger carry-ons from other brands like the Monos Carry-On Pro Plus, Away Bigger Carry-On, July Carry-On Pro, and Rome Large Carry-On. The bag we find most similar is the Tumi Tegra Light Front Pocket Continental Carry-On in terms of size and materials, but at a price tag of over $1,000, you'll want to weigh your options. So does this bag fit in the overhead compartments? Absolutely. We travel a lot, and we've even seen larger bags like the Monos Carry-On Plus squeeze in just fine despite being slightly oversized. However, we've also noticed travelers with 24-inch bags being forced to check them at the gate, which can be frustrating if you're looking to avoid checked baggage. If you're planning international travel and want to avoid the risk of checking a bag, we highly recommend the Duravo International Expandable Carry-On. We've tested it thoroughly, and it meets all the size requirements for overhead compartments on smaller European planes, like British Airways, as well as regional budget airlines in South Africa and more. This is especially important as we've seen friends having to check their carry-ons abroad that usually fit just fine in the USA. But just an FYI, we will be trying this new Duravo Front Pocket Carry-On internationally soon. If you want to know how this goes, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. Let's quickly run through the top things we loved about the new Duravo Front Pocket Expandable Carry-On Plus. First off, we're huge fans of Flex Shell. It's incredibly durable while keeping the bag lightweight so all of our gear stays protected without adding any bulk. Next, the Hinomoto ball bearing wheels are impressively smooth, allowing this carry-on to glide effortlessly across all kinds of surfaces, from airport carpets to outdoor bricks. The locking zippers on the two main compartments, located on top of the carry-on, add an extra layer of security while being easy to use, giving us peace of mind when we're on the move. We also really appreciated the side and top handles. While not new, they're well padded and super comfortable, making it easy to lift the bag into overhead bins or carry it onto shuttles. When it came to packing, this carry-on handled everything easily. Even larger shoes and bulkier items fit thanks to the smart, spacious interior design. The size is ideal for U.S. domestic flights and adds a fantastic option to Duravo's lineup, giving us flexibility for any trip. Plus, this front pocket carry-on offers at least 25% more space than the original Duravo carry-on, making it perfect for packing extra when needed. Lastly, the front pocket is a real game changer. With gussets, you can choose to open it a little for quick access or unzip fully by releasing the gusset zippers, keeping your laptop and essentials right at your fingertips and organized perfectly. Now let's talk about the price. At a price of $399 when we publish this video, it might make you think twice. But let's put it into perspective. Comparable options like the Tumi Tegra Lite can run over $1,000 and they're smaller. On the other hand, budget luggage we've tried from places like Costco or TJ Maxx didn't last long. Our Costco carry-on cracked after just 4 carry-on only flights. When you look at brands like Monos and Away in the $300 to $400 range, their polycarbonate shells just don't hold up as well in terms of durability. Duravo's Flex Shell material outperforms polycarbonate when considering toughness and the rigors of frequent travel. If you're interested, we encourage you to check out Duravo's website for potential promotions which are updated frequently. And if you decide this is the right carry-on for you, please consider using our affiliate link in the video description. We make a small commission on any purchases, which helps fund our mission of donating proceeds to charity. Thank you for your support. What didn't we like about Duravo's new front pocket carry-on? Honestly, not much. The addition of the front pocket and the increased size compared to the original expandable international carry-on make it a great option in the lineup, offering even more versatility for travelers. That said, the only thing we're still waiting for is a bigger version of the Duravo carry-on for those times when checking a bag is unavoidable. But we hear that might be coming soon, so stay tuned for that. What about you? Do you have a suitcase that you swear by? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And that wraps up our review of the Front Pocket Expandable Carry-On Plus by Duravo. If you're planning your next vacation and looking for the perfect carry-on, this could be a great addition to your travel gear. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips and insights, and drop any questions in the comments below. Always remember to make meaningful and healthy travel happen, and we'll see you next time.